name is Yannis Andreou, and today we're going to discuss unsecured business financing for all the provinces to see what solutions exist if we don't really want to encumber our equipment or a family home or commercial real estate assets. First of all, the loan amounts can range anywhere between 5,000 and 500,000. The interest rates are between 14 and 35%, and they depend on the credit and the financial profile of the business that is applying. The terms are between 4 and 18 months. The purpose is working capital or for the purchase of equipment in most cases. The loan position can be first, second and third. The minimum credit score required is 450. The minimum revenue $10,000 per month or $5,000 in credit card processing monthly. The minimum deposits per month are 4 and the maximum NSFs per month are 4 too. And the preferred industries are general retail, restaurants, spas and salons, cafes, manufacturing, logistics, automotive repair shops, florists, clinics, and healthcare professionals. Unsecured business financing is helpful when you're looking for quick funds, because usually it takes between 5 and 7 business days to process a business loan of that nature, and it gives you the flexibility to pay it back at any time and pay it off completely once you have the required revenue in your monthly income. So it's a flexible solution that is recommended only when you don't have a better option and you really need to meet payroll or any other immediate needs of the business for the purchase of equipment or of any other assets that are important to the sustainability and growth of your business. If you have any questions or require further information, feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.